Many people want to start a career in technology, but they face one major challenge. They already have a full-time job. So the question becomes, how can you realistically study IT certifications while working full-time? In this video, we will explore a practical approach that helps you build technical skills without burning out. The plan is simple, it is practical, it is designed to help you learn and grow without burning out. It is a path built on small, consistent steps. These small steps, when taken day after day, lead to very big and lasting change. This is how you build a new future for yourself, quietly and deliberately. The goal is not to race to a finish line. The goal is to build a sustainable practice of learning. It is possible. I have seen many people do it successfully. The first and most important idea is this. You must accept that progress will be slow. Learning new and complex technical skills while working a full-time job is a long game. It is not a race. You will not become a network engineer. You will not become a cloud architect in 1 week. You will have slow days. You will have busy weeks at work where study seems impossible. This is normal. It is part of the process. Slow progress is still progress. What matters most is not speed, but consistency. Moving forward, even by a small amount, is a victory. Be patient with yourself. Do not fall into the trap of comparison. You do not know their circumstances. Your path is your own. Your life has its own demands. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. If you learn one new concept today, you are ahead. Consistency is the quiet power. Many people think they need to study for hours every night. This is a recipe for burnout. Long, intense sessions after a full day can drain your mental energy. It is far more effective to use short, regular study sessions instead. For example, 45 minutes before work, 1 hour in the evening, and a longer session during weekends. The goal is to build a routine that fits naturally into your life. Try to study at the same time each day if you can. It builds a routine. This consistency helps your brain prepare and makes starting easier. A weekly plan can also help. Write down small, achievable tasks. Read 1 chapter. Watch 2 videos. Complete 1 hands-on lab. Ticking small items off a list provides a sense of accomplishment. When studying becomes a habit, learning becomes much easier. Progress may feel slow, but the rhythm keeps you moving. Many ambitious learners make a common mistake. They try to study for multiple certifications at the same time. This approach divides your focus and dilutes your energy. The best strategy is a simple one. Pick 1 certification, just 1. Then dedicate your attention to that single goal until you achieve it. Look at the exam objectives or syllabus. Break the goal into milestones. Each milestone should be concrete. Complete networking fundamentals. Master command line basics. Finishing 1 milestone before the next provides structure and builds confidence. When you stop splitting attention, deeper learning is possible. Depth is what employers are really looking for. After earning your first certification, move on with confidence to the next. By conquering 1 mountain at a time, you can cross the entire range. Focus is your most powerful asset. Watching videos and reading are helpful, but passive consumption is not enough to build real, durable skills. The most critical part is active learning. You must get your hands on the technology. Set up a home lab. Use virtual machines. Practice the exact tasks from your training. Install the software, run the commands, and see what happens. Do not be afraid to break things. In a sandbox, mistakes teach you the most. When something fails, you must troubleshoot. Investigate the problem, research solutions, and try to fix it. Breaking and fixing is where the deepest learning occurs. If you study Network Plus, set up a small virtual network. For cloud, use provider-free tiers. Create a virtual server. Set up a storage bucket. Experiment with services. For security, practice in safe, sandboxed environments. Every time you configure a service or solve a technical problem, you prove to yourself you can do the work. This practical experience is what you will discuss in interviews. It is the evidence that shows you can do more than just pass a test. You can solve real-world problems. Active learning is not just a study technique. It is the bridge between knowing and doing. Studying after a full day can be very difficult. Your brain has been working for hours. Your mental energy may be low. Learn to protect your energy. Do not force long, grueling sessions when exhausted. It is counterproductive. Study smarter, not harder. Choose your best times for learning. If mornings are best, use them for your most challenging topics. Even 30 to 45 minutes of focused study is powerful. If you are sharper in the evening, schedule sessions then. Studying while drained is like driving with an empty tank. You will not get far. Use short breaks. Try the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes rest. Step away from the screen, stretch, hydrate, reset. Design your space to protect energy. Keep it tidy, remove distractions, put your phone away. A calm, quiet space supports a calm, quiet mind. Guarding your energy is not weakness, it is wisdom. Protecting your energy is the strategic choice that makes long-term sustainable learning possible. Staying motivated over months is challenging. The final exam can feel far away. Set small, clear, realistic goals. Make them visible. Finish one chapter of the textbook. Do 3 practice questions. Complete 1 hands-on lab. When ready, set your exam date. A deadline focuses effort. Short-term goals create a steady rhythm of accomplishment. Each small win is proof your effort is paying off. Track your progress in a notebook or simple spreadsheet. When discouraged, look back and see how far you have come. Celebrate small milestones. They refuel motivation and build momentum. Momentum is the force that carries you to your final goal. There will be days when studying feels hard and your discipline wavers. Connect with your long-term vision. Remember your why. Maybe a career change, better financial opportunities, more flexible work, or a deeper love of technology. Write it down and keep it close. Visualize success, the pass screen, updating your resume, answering interview questions. Picture receiving the offer you have been working toward. This is not a daydream. It connects daily effort to life-changing outcomes. Your why is your anchor and your light through difficult patches. Daily actions matter, and your long-term vision gives them meaning. Each tough session is a building block toward your future. An hour reclaimed today is a small price for a fulfilling career. In summary, studying IT certifications while working full-time is not easy, but it is absolutely possible. It is not a journey of speed, but one of patience. It requires a clear and realistic plan, built on small, consistent habits. True learning is cemented by active, hands-on practice. Protect your energy, set clear goals, and keep your ultimate vision in sight. Make a commitment to start small, beginning today. Do one simple step today and do it again tomorrow. Over weeks, knowledge grows. Over months, skills solidify. Balance learning with life. Rest prevents burnout. Your effort compounds. You are building skill and professional value. Take a deep breath. You can do this. Keep calm and continue learning. Build skill, increase income. Stay calm.